Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope everyone is well. After a long time, I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain with another new video. Due to a new apps update, the dial pad for your phones has changed, due to which many people are facing problem. Today, I will show you how to do it like before you in a video. Before we start, please subscribe to the new channel. Let's start the video without delay. First, you go to the phone setting. Then go to apps. Then there is an option call app management. Okay, call management option. Apps, then go to apps management option. Click on that after cleaning and you will give the option of data usage or storage. You choose your phone, mainly dial pad. Okay, your phone is dial pad. The click and your option chose the data uses and or storage uses. You cannot be open your data uses, not only storage as just chose. Then your clear data, clear case. You have chose the clear data, okay, and you clear data click, then okay, you have any option, then you have to close the page and go to the dial pad option. Then 10 or 15 seconds wait and favorite, recent and contact, then show your before your contact. Okay, then contact, recent, you will this 10 or 50 second wait. After waiting, you will able to your moving to previous position. Okay, the previous version is phone is already you have to given. This video is like today. I request you who are watching the video like, comment, share and stay by my side. Thanks to all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.